I have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and I did it with help of my 10th latest videos. I uploaded 200 of them, but the progress just kicked in recently. It's not that these videos were some shit-ass videos. All of them were edited. All of them were scripted. I was even scheduling them before going on the vacation because I felt in need of this mission to helping someone. Honest truth, nobody cared. And then one day I started to think, I'm doing this again and again and the results that I want does not appear. Maybe there is something else that I could change. And so I came up with a plan to go into the studio, up my quality and up my device as well. This is what I did and my video blew up, getting me 500 subscribers from one single video. 500 subscribers is somebody else's goal and I got it from one. Imagine the power of YouTube. So learning lesson from this is not about upload, it's about quality. What would you say to the guy that went to the gym 100 times? Just go there again? No, you would say to him, improve your exercises, specifically improve your technique. So the technique for me was a studio, was positioning myself as this high quality YouTuber. My story is a representation of professionality. If my videos looks professional, they get views. If they looks like childish play, they won't and nobody would care. Same principle applies to you and this is why the step 0 was changing my mind. Firstly, you need to improve you before improving your channel because you probably heard your business is a representation of your life. So if you're not going to the gym consistently, you won't upload consistently. And bro, I'm going to the gym daily. My uploads was every other day. Yours could be 1 time per week. And it doesn't make us different. It just shows the levels that we're committed to. Because it's how you behave outside of your business, which is your YouTube channel, also impacts your business, even on a bigger scale than you may think. So if you improve your physique, your channel improves. If you improve your relationship with your parents, your channel improves. If you improve your university or your school studies, you spend less time on it, you use 80-20 rule on it, your channel improves. And I'm gonna reveal the biggest secret there. The constraint that you have right now is that they are not watching you because you are not on the level they want to be. You're not the guy that they want to learn from because you don't even want to learn from yourself. You don't even watch your own videos, don't you? Iman Gadzhi, Andrew Tate, Alex Hormozi, all of them show their lifestyle and people want it. And because they did show it in some way, people will listen to them and will give them their attention, which makes their lifestyle even better. You see how it's connected everywhere. So start with your self-improvement first before you teach others about self-improvement. Talking about self-improvement, how can you actually improve your channel? This is step 1. Well, there is 2 main common mistakes, branding and effort. Let's start with branding. Branding your channel gives you a clarity on your mission and what you will do with it. Which kind of videos would you produce and which kind of audience you would attract. Makes sense. So if you're a channel about meditation, you'd probably have like a pose inside of your banner, you sitting in a pose of meditation, right? If you're a channel about the gym, you would probably take your thumbnails in the gym. You would probably record your videos in the gym because this would initially attract better audience and they would expect it from you because you branded yourself in that way. Now, if you talk about branding in general, it's not that important, it's not that essential. If you don't improve yourself, the branding doesn't matter. Do not actually spend much time on it. What I want you to do, your actionable step from it is just come up with your mission and your voice inside of your channel. This is what is going to be your branding. So for me, it's a YouTube growth. For you, it could be something that interests you. And it's not about niche. I hate niches, to be honest, even though they work. It's more about you knowing where you are going at the current moment. You could always change it, but disclaimer is to not overthink it. Pick one thing right now and stick to it for 30 days, 60, see how it goes. If it's not for you, leave it. If it's for you, stick with it and improve on it, right? Improve your channel branding behind it. So the perfect example could be my banner. It is a subscribe button and a financial freedom. It shows up a benefit of being a YouTuber and also shows like a UI from a YouTube, which makes it recognizable for other people and also shows my mission. And the second mistake is effort. Now write this down. Grinding doesn't equal success. Uploading doesn't equal views. Editing video doesn't equal more engagement and retention. Because there's people that are grinding their ass off. Think about a normal cleaner. He puts so much effort. He disturbs his health. He commits to 8 hours of cleaning dirty shit, bro. But the outcome, he gets the minimal wage from it. Because everybody can do this. So it's the same thing here. If you over-edit your video, you put so many effort into it, you edit every single second, it would look like an unprofessional video, especially if your editing skills are not the best. It would look worser than unedited video. So effort can actually ruin the thing rather than make it better in some cases. And to understand this, you need to have intelligence. And you have intelligence by improving yourself first. It's not about effort, it's about the right effort. The right tasks. And the right tasks are scripting, editing, and recording. The only essentials. Remember that principle and avoid this mistake. Do not just do your work mindlessly. So you improved yourself, you improved your channel with branding and putting effort into the right things. Now it's time to improve others. Because the only reason your channel should exist is for people to get value. For people to be inspired. For people to get improvement. Entertainment channels does give people value. It entertains them, but you're an educational content creator. For that reason, you need to be like a professor. You need to be a genius of your topic. My topic is a YouTube growth, and I know what is CTR, I know what is retention, I know what is call to actions. I know more than 0.1% about YouTube. If somebody would give me a test and also give a random person on the street a test about YouTube, I would score 200% better because I'm just learning about it. Now this is what most people don't do, which is crazy, bro, because you're trying to teach someone without learning it yourself. Like, if we come back to improving yourself first, right? If you have a fitness channel and you're not jacked, you're trying to tell somebody to go to the gym daily, but you are not doing it, why would they listen to you? You don't know your topic. Now it is still a good advice, but you see how it works. All of the steps that I told you are connected. And the most important were first one. This one is just an optional thing. This one you do after you figure out the first two. You learn about your topic, you study it, you read books, you watch courses, you hire mentors. By the way, I'm the mentor. Basic ChatGPT advice because nobody cares. Imagine a random channel about YouTube growth in my niche, which says, when you upload video, don't forget about your thumbnail. Make a title SEO optimized. Create a hook for your video, bro. This is some basic ass GPT advice that everybody knows, but because of the different way, the new way that you show people how to do it, they actually listen and they actually are influenced by it. If you just tell them go to the gym and lift weights, they won't do this. There is no connection in it. Show them in some unique way. For example, ask them a question. Engage with your audience inside of your video. What would our ancestors do back in the days? Well, they were hunting and this was their form of exercise. This is why they were 2 times bigger than us right now. So this is why you should exercise too. Now this is a compelling advice. This is a new way of telling it. And you can tell this only by learning and your experience. Why is there millions of people with millions of channels of their name, personal channels? Well, because we are different and our advice is different and it's beautiful. Even though it's kind of general, we make it in our own way. So learn how to do this, learn about stuff, but before you do it, learn about your life first.